Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know we're still in the garage, but due to cooler than normal temperatures, but again, we're still in April, so not that strange. But also we're in a lockdown now, guys, so hopefully we can get through this lockdown. This will be the last one. Everyone gets the shots and we're all good and we can all go have fun again. But in between now and that last video I put out about the 3 link systems, you know, I've been sitting around, I've had a few beers and had an idea. So in this video, guys, it's gonna be quick, but I think I want to try and see if I can manipulate this back plate to do more for me, or less but bigger. I don't know, we'll see what happens. I've got this crazy idea in my head. I thought might as well film it, seeing as we can't do anything else. So hey, come along with me and see if I either screw this up or actually come up with something pretty cool. Let's go. All right guys, so first things first, I had already taken off that extra plate, so that was already off by I just took it off so I could put my seat back on. But now what I'm thinking is I'm going to take this plate off, see if I can get the extra plate to mount here by itself so that I can still use the main Sea-Doo link system, and I'm going to try something out. So let's first take this plate off, then we'll put that plate on, and then we'll put it all together and see what it looks like. So let's dive into this. Guys, it's your favorite time again, time-lapse time. Alright guys, so we've gotten all the screws out of this one, so we will take this away and then we will collect the rubber extenders, or whatever you want to call them. Alright, so we're theoretically back to normal, so I'm going to put these 2 screws back in and these 2 screws back in. Got to take this screw and this screw out, and then we'll see where we go from there. So alright, onwards, let's keep going. Back to your favorite time lapse. Alright guys, so we've now got that plate on there secure. That ain't going anywhere. And we've got our link mount right now there. Now pop this up. Alright guys, let's see if this works. Alright guys, so we've got that on, opened up our original one. So this is my grand idea. I'm gonna take my fuel, which I actually have because I thought I was going to go out on the Sea-Doo soon. That's on. And then guys, I might buy this, but I'm borrowing this one right now from my good buddy over at Catch Me Outdoors. Oh no, it's the full-size cooler. So, let's see if we can lock it. Lock 1, lock 2. Ooh, buddy. So now I can get the full-size cooler, some gas. Wait for it, wait for it. And then put that on there. There we go. Into that. I'll make it look pretty. There you go, guys. Oh no, that actually looks really good. And then you can still get in back here to get your stuff. You can stack a little few things in there. Like I know I could do a chair in there and then tie wrap it to that, or you can secure it back to the cooler. You got your 2 link containers right there, and now you could carry a full cooler. Woo! Oh, boys and girls, we in for some event. Ah, nuts. This means now I'm gonna have to get one of these. I mean, if I'm doing my longer trips, and that small cooler is great for day trips, but anything where I'm doing like 2 nights, I think I need to get this. And now I can still do this plus gas and my normal stuff. So everything's kind of coming out really good this way. Yes, you lose your back seat, but I mean, theoretically, you could probably sit on the back of this while you're fishing, you know? Might be a little low in the back end, but you never know. Take this off when you go out, drive, sit, feet there, whatever. I mean, options. But guys, tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. Does that look like a good setup or what? And again, I love it because it's so simple. Like, it blends in so well with the Sea-Doo. You know, like, whew, I tell you what, that looks pretty good to me. Well, guys, I call that a pretty good success. So again, I mean, I don't know, you probably have to buy the complete kit, the base plate, and then the add-on one from the guys at B&S Design, or they might be able to sell you this. I do not know. I'm not speaking on behalf of them, but I'm telling you right now, I think I discovered something. So guys, please leave a comment below. Tell me what you think. A little bit different than last week's video. I know they're similar, but like I said, I had this brain explosion the other day, and I was like, I gotta try this out. Now I'm trying stuff out, you're seeing it, because I want you guys to see it. I want you to see what I'm trying out. I want you guys to give me your feedback on it, and any questions you have about it, just let me know. Other than that, guys, again, thank you so much for all the subscribers. Thanks for all the likes, comments. I love hearing from you guys. Hope to hear from you guys more. Hope to see you guys this year. Let's get this out and over with this COVID stuff so we can all go out and ride again. Guys, if you wouldn't mind subscribing or throwing a like on it, it would be greatly appreciated. Trust me, I thank you for everyone that's subscribed so far. And guys, until we're out there again, be safe out there. Peace!